My phone has been with me for 1,700 days and it's about to die. Suddenly, nag-shutdown siya, nag-freeze, ayaw na mag-on. Hindi ko pa naman na-backup yun. And sabi sa akin ng technician na, Ma'am, we need to system reset that. Bye-bye sa aking lahat ng mga photos and videos. Kaya ngayon, I'm in the market for a new phone. And I want something that will hopefully last me for another 5 years. Ang current na tinitignan ko, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. I've been researching and bro, it's a powerful phone. But also, hindi ako yung bumibili ng ganito kamahal na phone kung wala mga deals and promos no, nagpapasulit. It's a newly launched phone and todo yung pagliligaw ni Samsung. Right now, there's a pre-order bonus. You can double your storage and save up to 14,000 pesos. Plus, you also get Samsung Care Plus for free for 3 months. Tapos may bonus pa, you also get Google AI Pro free for 6 months, no? May trade-in din. So, if you have an old phone, it doesn't have to be a Samsung, no? You can get up to 14,000 pesos discount guaranteed. Marami rin silang katayap na banks mga installment deals. And you can get up to 50% off na discount. Tapos 0% installment for up to 36 months. Tapos dagdagan mo pa yung promos ng mga retailers. Yung iba nagbibigay ng free air fryer, TV, monitor. So, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari pag stock natin lahat ng available promos and deals. Best Bank promo, it's actually Union Bank kasi 15% off. Tapos 0% installment pa for 36 months. It will go down to around 105,000. Tapos sabihin natin na maximize mo lahat ng mga available vouchers, promos, trade-in savings, no? It's around 79,000 na lang. Almost 46,000 pesos na masasave mo kung ma-maximize mo lahat ng vouchers. And it's not even counting the freebies na kasama sa phone. Total combined value of around 10,000 pesos. Depende na siya kung gaano kakagaling mag-maximize ng mga promos if you have a certain credit card. But still, even on the conservative end, malaki pa rin ang matitipid mo. Damn. This is the first time na I'm considering to get a newly launched phone. Typically kasi I get an older model para mas mura. But given all of the lineups of these promos, parang sulit siya. Ganyan ako mag-isip for something na sobrang laki ng gastos. So gusto ko talaga kunin yung maximum value. Kasi gagastos ka naman, dapat makuha mo na yung maximum value ng gagastusin mo, no? If you're in the market for a new phone like me, whether you're considering the Z Fold 8 Ultra or any of the new phones in their lineup, a lot of these promos are only from July 23 to August 13. So, nagpapaisip pa ako, but kayo, like what do you guys think about this phone? Meron na ba kayong experience with a foldable phone? Sheesh.